Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Fortnite, but calibrating your controller can help resolve this issue. Follow these steps to quickly fix controller drift. Step 1. Access settings. Open Fortnite and navigate to the main menu. Click on the settings gear icon to access the game's settings. Step 2. Go to controller options. In the settings menu, find the controller options tab. This is where you can adjust various controller settings, including sensitivity and dead zones. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. Look for the dead zone settings for both the left and right sticks. Increase the dead zone slightly to reduce the sensitivity of the sticks, which can help mitigate drift. Step 4. Test the controller. After adjusting the dead zones, return to the game and test your controller. Move the sticks around to see if the drift issue has improved. Step 5. Fine-tune settings. If the drift persists, go back to the controller options and make further adjustments to the dead zones or sensitivity settings until you find a comfortable balance. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your controller and minimize drift while playing Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming experience.